challenged the SGA team to doing an organization throwdown or an organization challenge, I guess. Anyways, Sue picked her closet in her room to organize, and I am picking the dog treat drawer. Actually, more correctly, the dog everything drawer. So, I will show you how I am going to organize this. I picked up some containers from the dollar store. Initially, I was looking for some Ziploc containers that I really like, but right now they're hard to find. So we'll see what I can do with $8 worth of dollar store plastic containers to get this straightened up and organized. And it'll pay off dividends. I know in my past challenges that I've done with my staff, I organized my junk drawer and it still looks pretty good and organized. So, this one's next. We'll see how it turns out. Welcome back to my attempt at organizing the dog's food and treat drawer. And we're about to go have a look at the after shots here. If you'll remember, everything was rather disorganized and all in its packages. This is the benefit of taking everything out of its package and actually putting it into containers. You'll see here it's nice and organized. Everything fits. I did keep, of course, the labels in some of the packages so that people who are feeding Bandit, other than myself, know what's what. And I did spend $8 on container at dollar store, and then I decided to splurge and buy an $11 Rubbermaid container for his dog bones. It just fit better in the space. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully this will stay organized for many years to come.